The haul truck that you see behind us is now equipped with a range of sensors, including LiDAR, radar and cameras.
So we have our 360 perception system on the truck, and we also have our network communication system on the truck.
I think a couple of the key differences are the OEM-agnostic ability of the EACON system, also the perception ability of the AHS system, so the trucks being able to know what's around them and make real-time calls on what to do around them. So with the dusty conditions, the orchestra perception system can identify dust and rule it out as an obstacle in real time and then move through that space freely.
So EACON's distributed architecture allows us to scale our fleet significantly higher, and we are able to make onboard driving decisions with the truck. It's got a large computing capacity on board, and that enables it to make its own decisions